Mastering Application Performance Monitoring and Observability. This e-learning course will guide you through the ever-expanding world of application performance monitoring, APM, and observability. Originally focused solely on applications, this field now encompasses a wider range of technologies that ensure the health and performance of your entire IT infrastructure. In the past, terms like IT infrastructure monitoring, ITIM, availability monitoring, network management systems, NMS, system management systems, SMS, IT operations management, ITOM, and network performance monitoring and diagnostics, NPMD, all referred to separate areas. However, the modern approach to APM and observability integrates these concepts into a single, comprehensive framework. This framework allows you to monitor and understand application performance within the context of your entire IT ecosystem. By subscribing to this course, you will gain a thorough understanding of core APM and observability concepts. Learn about the impact of performance issues on your applications and business. Explore various APM tools and how they can benefit you. The course is divided into the following core modules: diving deep into application performance monitoring, APM, mastering APM techniques, unveiling the power of observability, building a robust observability practice, advanced topics in APM and observability. Additionally, the course content is periodically updated to reflect the latest advancements in the field. This ensures you have access to the most up-to-date information throughout your active subscription period. The course can be delivered in several formats to suit your needs. E-learning, you learn at your own pace, web-based live training, live instructor-led lectures, tailored training programs designed specifically for your enterprise's needs. Contact eSpin for more info.